Welcome back to another episode of Travel and Tales, and welcome to part 2 of our Baha Mar room tour series. In part 1, we showed you our room at the SLS Baha Mar, which is definitely a more adult focused with a dedicated pool perfect for couples. The rooms were modern, stylish, and honestly, a bit tight for more than one person. But hey, being close to the water park was a huge win. In this episode, we're giving you our unfiltered first impressions of our friend's room over at the Grand Hyatt Baha Mar. We've heard this resort is much more family friendly, centrally located, and offers a wider range of room options. So come along with us, check out a standard room at the Grand Hyatt Baha Mar, and see how it stacks up to the rooms at SLS.
It's a bit nicer here. Wait, back it up for a second. Back it up, sir.
We have to use a physical card.
We can't.
Wait, don't you have that? No, that just...
We were told it's
So what's
not.
this for? The pool and drinks. You said that this does everything. This might keep like...
We're disappointed.
We went to the poor side.
We went to the poor side.
We paid more.
Exactly.
This is more expensive than this
It
one, which
it
is
the
nuts.
more
Is that not
expensive
crazy?
side. He's
Okay.
gonna use his fancy wristband to open
NFC.
his... All right. Okay, give us a tour of your crib. Oh, what is this? A closet?
That's a closet. That must be where his
What is this? Is
It's my little
nice.
closet. Oh, I have an ironing board.
This is nice.
I have hangers. Oh, I got an iron too.
Oh my gosh.
This is my bathroom.
All right.
Come in.
into his bathroom.
So-
Get into it.
On your left,
Whoa.
on your left, there's a nice glass doors with the frosted squares. Alright, so there's where I do my business.
But Cody, it's frosted. Wait, go.
So
Can you
much
go in there for a second? I just want to see something. Look, we don't see the business happening.
You'll have to come see our
You can see like over here.
No, it's still different.
That's just your knees.
Here's my shower, my stand-up shower.
Oh, this is pretty.
I can sit down
Look,
in the corner.
he's got a. Oh.
It was at this moment we knew we chose the wrong resort.
So,
And then here's my little.
oh, this is what we
We don't
didn't
have
like.
a tub.
What about some of them?
There's no privacy.
No, but no. You can shut that.
Yeah. There it is.
This is.
I like this better. And Cody, it's double sink. It's double sink. What the hell?
There's only me alone here. Want to switch?
Yes, I'll take it.
Oh, this is.
This is
honestly
so
10 times better.
nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You don't want to see it.
And Cody, they give him lotion.
Oh my god. They gave us a little bit.
No, they don't give it like this. They gave us like this much
Do you have
lotion.
it?
Oh,
And
double-
soap.
Yeah.
And hold on. This cup has been bigger than the ones that we get when we go out to eat. Okay, let's see the rest of this room. Oh, and you got a privacy hole. Like, oh, this is
It's not
nice.
advanced couches.
Where are you right now? What is this little nook?
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm just
Is
checking.
this a closet?
Yeah.
This is not, hold on, open it up again. This is where your safe
My safe
is
is down
and
here.
some more clothes. Oh.
Like, look, this is.
Do you get bottles in your place?
No.
To use?
We got 2 little bottles of water per day that we're allowed. Like,
really?
Not refillable either.
Fill these up and just bring it here and
Yeah.
then drink it.
We don't have that.
Don't have any of that shit.
Take it. We're taking that to the front desk.
Well, no, I'm
And
not.
this
no,
TV
we
is
gotta,
bigger.
We gotta get to the beach.
Oh, wait,
The
what do we
TV is
go?
bigger. Coffee, but is this any of this? No.
No, I think you can.
This is all free.
This
yeah.
is free.
I
Open
think
this.
that would pay for it.
He's got a
But it's
fridge.
not stocked.
Yeah, so he's got an actual fridge you can use.
Bumbo.
Wait, because they charge me 200 a day.
Well, yeah.
So in case I charge like a room.
but you don't have anything in your fridge.
Oh no?
So that
There's
should
nothing.
be a okay,
Oh, unless
open
there's
that
one over
side,
there.
open that side.
Oh no.
Oh. Is this a pull-out? Go check.
That probably isn't.
Oh.
I really lost my opinion.
This is honestly.
This view is nice too.
This
This
is-
is you. And then if they have like water stuff going on, I can watch the water works.
I'm depressed on our room now. Actually, the view's nice here. I like looking at the pool too, though.
But it's not.
But this
So he
is
doesn't have a
too warm.
balcony.
No.
Yeah, that's a small thing. Yeah, you can go outside.
Not only was the room bigger, like you won't bump into your partner every 3 seconds bigger, but the finishes were next level. I instantly fell in love with the blue and white color palette. It was giving Baha Mar Barbie dream house, and I was here for it. They even had a pull-out couch. And this side table, okay, do you see this hidden compartment? Why doesn't every hotel have secret furniture like this? I felt like a spy just opening it. Even the phone was sleeker, like it went to a better school than ours. There was a bedside light dimmer, a real fridge that didn't wobble like a newborn giraffe, and was actually included, truly revolutionary, and a whole lineup of Keurig coffees that didn't feel like they were needing to be rationed. And listen, they legitimately had a privacy wall. No more doing your bathroom business like you're broadcasting to a live studio audience. Speaking of bathrooms, look at the marble finishes. This bathroom was so big compared to ours. We had bathroom envy. Like, can we trade? And instead of the sad little disposable water bottles we got, they gave you reusable bottles here. Who do we need to talk to get an upgrade? On top of that, the room had more storage and a safe that was at a normal height that you can actually see into it without climbing a mountain.
Way nicer.
Why?
Next time, we're letting Devon book the trip.
Oh.
For us.
We'll come together and I'll be like, hey,
Last
ocean room.
Last minute.
And then she'll be like, you know what? I can't get ocean, but I'll give you one better.
All right, let's now show Devo our room.
Yeah, already.
Having a shower, doing this thing. I actually had to pee, but so I'm watching. Look him back up. I hate this design.
So which room did you like best? Let me know in the comments. And don't miss our next episode where we dive into the food both on the resort and off of it. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before you go. Take care.